Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, I have a great video in store. Guys, I'm gonna explain exactly what you need to get started in this industry. This is honestly, I believe, the best industry in the world because we are literally helping people file claims for money that they have no idea about. So you don't have to spend time trying to make money, trying to persuade people, trying to convince people to sell any type of terrible product. You're literally just reuniting individuals with their money. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys already know I'm doing this content for you guys so that you can dominate in this industry. Now, if we want to get started in this business, the first thing that we need to understand is the business. Now, with surplus funds, what we're doing is we're helping the previous homeowner recover the additional funds from a foreclosure. So if somebody doesn't pay their mortgage or they don't pay their taxes, their home is going to be sold at an auction. Typically, the opening bid is how much they actually owe, and any amount over that is going to lead to the surplus. Surplus is an additional amount, sometimes referred to as excess funds or overbid. This is basically the extra dollar amount above how much they owed. So whether that was their mortgage or their taxes, that additional amount is due to the previous owner and they have no idea about it. So the fact that we can obtain this information and easily identify how much they're entitled and who's entitled, we have extreme value because this information is public information, but the previous homeowners do not know about it, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. When this property is sold, the county does not do a good job at contacting the previous owner and informing them. Oftentimes, they just send a letter in the mail to the address that was actually foreclosed. And think about it, if it was foreclosed, they're no longer living at the property, so they're not receiving that notification. So what we do is we initially become investigators. We figure out who's entitled. We go through a little form called skip tracing, in which we find out who their relatives are, we find their phone numbers, we find mailing addresses, we find social media, we find email addresses, and we try to actually market them. Once we get a hold of them, we then send them proof and we close them. All right, so that's the general concept, guys. This business can actually be broken down into 5 simple steps. So we locate leads, we locate the claimant, we market the claimant, we close the claimant, and then we submit a claim. So if we're looking to get started, there's some things that you guys are gonna need. The first thing is a computer. Get a computer, guys, whether that's a laptop or an actual PC. I highly recommend getting a computer so that you can analyze all of the data. Oftentimes we're going to be looking at spreadsheets, so if you're looking at your phone, it might be difficult for you. The second thing that we're going to need, guys, is an internet connection. As simple as that, Wi-Fi. You can do this business anywhere in the world. I actually started doing this business when I was in Europe. So you got a computer, you got your Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you're going to need is a lead list. We want to identify who's actually entitled. Go to Google, put in these keywords, and I promise you, you'll find an extensive list of individuals who are entitled. Surplus funds list, tax sale overbid list, excess funds list, mortgage foreclosure surplus list. I guarantee you, you guys will find over 50 counties that have individuals who are entitled. The next thing that we will need, guys, is the proper paperwork. If we have somebody that wants to move forward with a claim, we're gonna have to send them an agreement because in this business, we work off of contingency, meaning our fee is contingent upon a successful claim. Once they get paid, we get paid. Now, you guys are also gonna need other documents like a limited power of attorney. Of course, you're gonna need the claim form, you're gonna need the payment directional letter, and all of those documents are provided in my course. The next thing that you guys are going to need is going to be an attorney. Although we don't have to be attorneys, you can partner with an attorney on your claims. They can file the claim for you. They can help you out in probate situations when there are deceased claims. And guess what, guys? In my course, I will show you how to get attorneys, and I also provide an attorney list. The next thing, guys, to be very successful in this business, what you will need is a website. A website allows individuals to see exactly what you're talking about, how the process works, showing that you're a legitimate company and showing that things are real. So I highly recommend getting these items, guys. You're gonna need a computer, you're gonna need Wi-Fi, you're gonna need documents, you're gonna need an attorney, and you're gonna need a website. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do this business step by step from somebody who has been doing this since 2018, check the link in the description, use the code TAKEACTION, you'll receive $100 off, and I'm looking forward to helping you out.